Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Bring This Fall Labor Day sale at Lowe's. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. If you want to help out the channel so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos, remember hit the like and hit the subscribe. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'm trying to close this thing but it keeps popping up there. So we got the Lowe's. Alright. So we got the Lowe's. It says 8/27/299. So basically a week. We're already a little late, but you still got a few days. All right, tools. Down to the point here. We came for the tools. So we got Eagle leading charge. So we now have Eagle in some of the stores. It's available online, but in some of the stores we do have them. Just depending on the stores, how fast they roll them out. But you got this 56 volt brushless cordless leaf blower for $199. Let's see here. Doesn't say it includes it, maybe two only, maybe. You got a Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle gas leaf blower for $99. You got a Craftsman 20 volt max cordless leaf blower and string trimmer, $129. Guys, for a small yard, this is perfect. If you have a bigger yard or normal to big yard, you probably need something a little better. But for a small yard, this will work fine. You got the Greenworks 1750 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. Pressure washer, $89. This is a great little pressure washer. Especially if you're just gonna be doing like a car wash or a small patio wash, something that's a small job, nothing big. All right, let's see here. You got more of this fall. You got some canopies here. Doesn't give you the okay. That's for the table, 72x29 table. It doesn't tell you I guess they're not selling the canopy there. You got another tool back here, down here actually. So Husqvarna 525L 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch cut gas string trimmer, $299. And then you got a blower here, Craftsman 20 volts max cordless leaf blower, $99. It doesn't tell you the CFM. Well, no, it doesn't. It says battery and charger included. Alright, you got another pressure washer here. It's Greenworks 2000 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. Pressure washer, $179. Let's see here. It doesn't tell you anything else. Just yeah. So $179 for that. Let's see here if we got anything more on this side. You got some storage here, $169. Really nice rugged storage shelf. Alright, tools. Start your next project and save. Alright, I'm going to see if we can maximize this because it's a little small. Alright, that's a little bigger. We got to buy one, get one free. It says Craftsman 2-tool, 4-tool, 20 volt max brushless cordless combo kit. So you can select either the 4-tool or the 2-tool. These are all brushless. Wow, this is a great deal. If you're going to be starting into a new line and you want to go something decent that's a brushless tool, if you're a DIY, this is great for you. 2-tool, 20 volt brushless cordless. It says includes 1/2 inch drill, 1/4 impact driver with two 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger in soft case, so bag basically. And this one's $299. So 4-tool, 20 volt max. Includes a 1/2 inch drill, 1/4 impact driver, reciprocating saw, a task light, and two 1.5 amp hour batteries. So you're basically paying $100 for the reciprocating saw and the flashlight, and you're getting a free battery, a free tool for free. So I guess this is a vacuum. Looks like a vacuum or a battery. It says it says bare battery. Yeah, it's a battery. It's a battery. So you got choice of an angle grinder or an impact wrench or a battery there. This is a great deal there. Definitely some good deals there. $11.98 retractable utility knife. You got a 12 18-piece standard metric mechanics tool chest. Tool set with tool chest. $129, so it does include the tools. Got $4.98, the 37-inch 4-drawer steel tool chest, and the 37-inch 5-drawer steel rolling tool cabinet. Alright, we got the buy one get one free from the XTR. So this is another great brand that they have. I would say this was a profession. They're shooting it for the professional level here. Got buy one select Cobalt's 24 volts XTR power tool starting at $149. And you get one of the batteries for free, which is a 4-amp hour battery, $59.98 value. Let's see here if it tells you what kind of tools. It doesn't tell you. It says buy one select Cobalt 24 Max power tool, get 4-amp hour battery for free. Yeah, it doesn't really tell you specify, but I guess any of these tools qualifies for this free battery. You got a 24 volt max half-inch brushless cordless drill, $99. It does include a battery and a charger. Good deal there. And then you got this one, 364 piece household tool set with the bag, $99. It's a nice little kit there for 99 bucks. Alright, you got the Metabo. It says your choice, $79. They are giving this is a good deal. These two are brushless cordless drill drivers. This is the impact driver here. Both of them include a 1.5 amp hour battery and a charger. For 79 bucks, that's a great deal. If you guys got a choice here. You guys got a nice choice here. You can get onto any of these tools. All these tools are worth it. Alright, you got the DeWalt 1998 21-piece black oxide twist drill bit set. Not so good. I believe I've seen better than this. Buy one, get one free. Select DeWalt 20 volt max XR brushless cordless bare powered tool. So starting at $179. And then you get a 5-amp hour battery for free. There you go. If you're on the DeWalt platform. You gotta buy one. This is 2 tool 20 volt max extreme subcompact brushless. So this is a 12 volt, by the way. If you're in the 18 volt or the 20 volt, make sure this is the 12 volts you're talking about here. If you want to get that, this is buy that for $199. You get this hacksaw for free, or reciprocating saw. $139 value there. Let's see here if we got any more tools. Guys, just a short video for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out this channel, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.